Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about a free tool you could use to have the contents of your clipboard read to you at any time. So let's say you're on a specific website or working on a document and you don't want to read it, you just want to have it read to you. You could use this tool to do so. All right, so there's two versions. There is an installable version that will install like a program and give you an icon on your start menu there. Or there's the standalone version where you just download the zip file and extract it, and there's nothing to install. You just run the executable. So that's what I have here. So once you have something loaded in the clipboard, it'll read it to you if you press play. And if you turn on this option here, it'll automatically read it to you every time you copy something. So that might be a little overkill. But if you're doing a bunch of reading, that might come in handy. All right, so I have this document open here. So let's highlight some text here and click on read.
In most instances, when there's a cybersecurity threat, the IT.
And then you could change the voice too, from David to Zira. These are just the default Microsoft voices.
In most instances, when there's a cybersecurity threat, the IT.
And if you go to default, it'll default to David. All right, so now let's try something else. Let's do the read automatically. So let's go over.
In most instances, when there's a cybersecurity threat.
You can see it started automatically there, and then if we copy something else here.
A cybersecurity awareness orientation involves activities such as teaching.
Automatically started reading it. So let's turn that off. And then this other one here for read URL shortly. So if we go up here, copy this.
https://onlinecomputertips.com/support categories/Microsoft Office/
That's the long version. So if we change this to shortly.
https://onlinecomputertips.com.
It'll just read the main domain for the URL. And then you have the option too to minimize to the system tray, which gives you quick access. So let's say you minimize it. You don't have to have it here in your taskbar. You could just pop it up right here real quick and click on read when you have something copied. And you could also do stay on top if you wanted to stay on top all the time. All right, so that's about all there is to it. And if you decide to pay for it, it's $19. And if you do that, I believe you'll get the updates and no nag screen. So if you use it all the time, it might be worth it. All right, so I will put a link in the description where you can download a Clipboard Reader and you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.